Are we really on the air? Oh, sis, I think I need some lip gloss. Okay, I'm gonna walk and go get the lip gloss. Hey everybody, it's your girl Tiff Lachelle, and I'm doing a last minute vlog. Okay, whatever. I'm doing a last minute vlog. I'm gonna take you all with me to preview some new properties that's like right by my apartment, and I've been looking at them like every day. Hold on, I really gotta put on this lip gloss. Okay, let's do that again. Hey everyone, it's your girl Tiff Lachelle. Okay, Maryland's favorite realtor. I'm here, and let's adjust so you can see my face. Bare face, boo. So yeah, I am taking you all on a last minute vlog with me to a new property that's right by my apartment. I see it every day. I drive back and forth to the school that I teach at, and I've just always wanted to be like, let's go in there. And so I called, no one answered. I set an appointment for later in the week, and then they called back and it was like, oh yeah, like you're an agent, like you can drop by anytime, like here's my number. So they were super cool. So I was like, cool. So I'm gonna go get some coffee, get some of these letters that I need to mail out, and I'm taking y'all with me, so stay tuned. Okay y'all, first of all, it's so hard to freaking try to TikTok and vlog at the same time. My goodness. All right, oops, I'm so sorry. See, I can't even walk straight. All right, I'm on my way to my favorite place. You know it, Starbucks. I'm about to get me a little coffee and then head on to the site. So let's go order. All right, hello. Can I get I should try something new, right?
What do you usually get?
I usually get the sugar cookie almond milk latte.
It's not a bad choice either. Have you tried? Okay, this is. Were you trying to get something like coffee?
Yeah, coffee.
This looks
Surprise me.
Surprise me.
Oh God, should I be surprised? Anything from the holiday menu is fine.
I got you.
But with almond milk.
Almond milk?
Yeah.
I got you.
Okay. And your name is JR. Okay, JR. When you see me on my YouTube channel, I will tell them to come visit you.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
And did you want a hot ice? Surprise
hot.
on that? Oh.
Hot. I do want that hot.
I got you.
Do y'all take Apple Pay?
Yes, we do. And can I get your name?
Oh, I might have money. Starbucks. I mean, Tiffany.
Tiffany, yes.
Oh my goodness. I'm doing too much. I might have money. I don't know what JR made. He said chestnut praline, and instead of using some type of coffee, he used like blonde espresso. Amazing. Shout out to JR. If you are at the North Bethesda Pike and Rose Starbucks, go visit him, because this is amazing. Amazing. Okay, let's get to work, people. Get to work. Okay, look at H&M. Should we do a shopping vlog? Because girl, I love to shop. All right. Like seriously, Mother Nature decided to come in and say, hey girl, it's my time to shine. And I'm like, can you wait another day? And she's like, no, today's our day. Oh, I need gas. My gas light's on. Good thing this place is only like, what, 5 miles from my house. So only got 21 miles to east. So I'll be all right. Don't do that. Don't do that. A good agent should always have gas in their car, but I am a dual career agent and I'm a public school teacher, and just teaching throughout this pandemic, girl, it's rough. So I look down and I don't have any gas. I don't have any groceries, but I'm happy to create and see getting me out the house will make me get some gas. All right, so let me not drive and film because that's dangerous and I think against the law. So I'll let you know when I get there. All right. Seriously, I might have to cut some of that video off because YouTube don't be playing about. Wow. Okay. Wow. You all, this is amazing. I'm trying to get my voice in before the next song comes on because I'm gonna have to voice this over because they're playing music, but this is beautiful. Look at this model, okay? I'm gonna give you a walkthrough from the rooter to the tutor, and unfortunately I have to voice this over because of the music. So let me hurry up and cut it off. hope you like this house tour. Like, let me know your honest thoughts. Like, let me know which one was your favorite part. I love the meditation room. Makes me want to get my life together, okay? Makes me want to save every penny so I can get something like this. Like, I love this. I just love the roof deck. You know, for all the people who don't want to have to deal with lawn work and yard work in the fall with all those leaves, this is just beautiful, and you get the view of the city, and it's still like a suburban feel. I love it. OMG. Well, I hope you all like this vlog. I think I'm gonna stop it here. It's just something really quick. I have to go mail some letters, and actually I'm looking for a place to live because I don't think I'm renewing my lease, so I'm about to go meet with my potential spot where I might move. So had to do this first, but I'm wishing you all a healthy and productive week. I hope you like this, and yeah, peace and blessings to you, and be nice to yourself, and always remember to be kind. Love y'all. Bye. I want to do a mental health check-in, and I wanted my vlogs to be different because I feel like when you watch YouTube a lot, you get inspired, and then you get that anxiety like, man, I'm not doing this. They look so happy, and they look so happy doing this. And social media can cause a lot of disconnects with what's really going on. So I'm starting with my mental health check-in. So you can know how I'm really feeling before we start. It was a rough week. I'm struggling. I just started in this real estate business, and it is expensive. Bills are expensive. Student loans are expensive. I kind of was feeling like I was getting cornered into a wall. Like, oh God, like I need help. Social life was kind of going down. The dating life, not going so good. So I was just like, oh my goodness, like, you know, everything around me is like messing up. What's going on? But you know, in those times of the turmoil that I feel like I'm going through, I think I'm growing, and like growing to know me more, being with myself more, getting closer to God more, and keep doing what I love. So in the process of still feeling sometimes down, I'm still going to create, because this is what makes me happy. And I hope that if you're going through something or a tough time or things like that, that this can inspire you to still create, because you know, sometimes when people are in their darkest moments, that's when they create their best art. So love you all, and I hope you enjoyed this video.